to really live a healthy, wealthy life, And I just want to tell you this, by background, I'm a cancer researcher. I have a background in human genetics. And I won't tell you, I got my PhD way back. I won't tell you when. But I specialize in cancer research. And the thing is, I know today that, a lot of times things that we can fight are only preventable. Diseases like, cancer and diabetes, blood pressure and all, unfortunately some of it is willed to us. We cannot change that legacy. But we can kind of change the legacy we are giving to our children by living healthy lives and living long enough to enjoy the children. And the only way to do that is to prevent. And what Nutralite does is really offer solutions for a lot of problems like developing blood pressure, diabetes. And nowadays, you will hear, John was talking about all these statistics and people in debt and people getting out of jobs. There's the only one thing that is a higher percentage than the amount of debt in this country. Can you tell me what that is?
Cancer.
Obesity. Obesity. Who was that smart kid? Yeah, see, no wonder he's growing. See how he's growing, keeping slim and all that. No, seriously, obesity is such a big problem that it even beats the amount of debt the country has. And the number of diseases that you can get because of obesity, it's very unfortunate. Again, some of it is, genetic. And I'm going to actually, after showing you this God's Pharmacy, I've put together a little presentation. The reason I took this time is to talk about the genetic tests that we have in the business, which is all wrapped around, what we are made of. And a lot of times we don't think about it. Again, it's a little unfortunate. We think that, we're young now and we can, worry about that later. No, it doesn't. It catches up so soon, especially in this stressed out, life that we lead. So I'm going to show you this little PowerPoint. It's called God's Pharmacy. And I think there's a little bit of a sound to it. So. Said that God first separated the salt water from the fresh, made dry land, planted a garden, made animals and fish, all before making a human. He made and provided what we need before we were born. These are best and more powerful when eaten raw. We are such slow learners. God left us a great clue as to what foods help what part of our body. And that's why it's called God's Pharmacy. It's truly amazing. Look at a carrot. When you slice it, a carrot looks like the human eye. The pupil, the iris, radiating lines look just like the human eye. And yes, science shows how carrots greatly enhance blood flow too and the function of the eyes. And that's beta-carotene. A lot of you know. It's also an antioxidant, very powerful antioxidant. Look at a tomato. A tomato has 4 chambers and it's red. The heart has 4 chambers and it is red. All of the research shows tomatoes are loaded with lycopene and are indeed pure heart and blood food. Now, lycopene has a lot of other functions as well, but this is just a very close example of the function that these vegetables and fruits serve us, to heal. Grapes hang in a cluster that has the shape of the heart. Each grape looks like a blood cell, and all of the research today shows that grapes are also profound heart and blood vitalizing food. That's just a small clue there. The walnut. A walnut looks like a little brain, a left and a right hemisphere, upper cerebrum, lower cerebellum. Now some of you are not scientists, don't worry, you all have a brain. Even the wrinkles or folds on the nut are just like the neocortex. Now nut is not a pun, okay? We now know that walnuts help develop more than 3 dozen neuron transmitters for brain function. Isn't that cool? You can now eat a lot of walnuts and know what you're really eating. The kidney bean actually helps to heal and maintain kidney function, and they look exactly like the human kidney. This is celery, bok choy, rhubarb, and many more look just like bones. These foods are specifically those that target bone strength. And our vitamin D3 has some of these ingredients in them. Bones are 23% of sodium, and these foods are 23% of sodium. 23% sodium. If you don't have enough sodium in your diet, the body pulls it from the bones, thus making them weak. These foods replenish the skeletal needs of the body. Now look at these vegetables. Avocados, eggplant and pear target the health and function of the womb, the cervix of the female. They just look like these organs. Today's research shows that when a woman eats one avocado a week, it balances hormones, sheds unwanted birth weight, and prevents cervical cancer. And how profound is this? It takes exactly 9 months to grow an avocado, from blossom to ripened fruit. There are over 14,000 photolytic chemical constituents of nutrition in each one of these foods. Modern science has only studied and named about 141 of them. And I can bet you that Nutrilite knows all those 141 and more. This is even more interesting. Figs are full of seeds and hang in twos when they grow. Figs increase the mobility of male sperm and increase the number of sperm as well to overcome infertility and sterility. You know, that's the closest I've come to anything that we recognize. Sweet potatoes look like the pancreas and actually balance the glycemic index of diabetics. How many of us know that? Some of us may have avoided sweet potato thinking it's too sweet, but it actually helps pancreatic function. These are olives and they assist in the health and function of human ovaries. They look like little, eggs within the ovary of an ovulating female. These are oranges, grapefruit and other citrus fruit look exactly like the mammary glands of the female and actually assist the health of the breast and the movement of lymph in and out of the breast. This is another thing to be aware of. A lot of, there's a lot of research on hormones that get activated and actually cause problems in organs for women like ovary, breast and uterus and all that. There's a little bit of caution to be exercised in what you are eating, what are the supplements you are taking, but also anything in moderation is good. Just because we have a range of Nutrilite supplements from A to Z doesn't mean that you have to take every one of them. That is why I'm going to talk about doing the personalized health, doing the health assessment and getting a custom supplementation pack. Because you and I really don't know how these herbs work and in what combination they work. Nutrilite has put together a program with the help of Harvard Medical School to tell you what ingredients in their supplements work together, what of them work against each other, and how are you supposed to take it, morning, noon and night. You can't indiscriminately take calcium and iron together. How many of you know that if you take iron, you cannot absorb calcium at the same time? If you need both the supplements, you need to take calcium in the morning, iron at night. So those are some simple things which are done automatically for you. So unless you want to eat more walnuts and grow that brain, just follow the health assessment. Do the health assessment and they'll tell you how to do it. This is the last slide of this presentation. Onions look like our body cells. Today's research shows that onions help clear waste material from all of the body cells. They even produce tears which wash the epithelial layers of the eyes. A working companion, the garlic, also helps eliminate waste material and dangerous free radicals from the body. And all of you know garlic and the help it gives to the heart and everything. So, that is a little lead in to what I'm going to talk to you all about. I have...